Hi, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today I'm going to show you, or more like I'm going to walk you through the process of actually claiming for a new windscreen from the insurance company. This is provided if you have bought the windscreen coverage. So what happened was that, a stone hit the windscreen and cracked it. Alright. Highway. Okay, so I'll walk through you what kind of documents you need, how it's done, and let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do before going to any shop to change your windscreen is that you need to prepare your insurance policy, your IC, as well as your driver's license. Alright, once you have these three, search for a windscreen shop that actually does insurance claim and give them a call, check with them, see if they actually accept your insurance company. Alright, so I found one and I'll be heading to that. Actually, I've already headed there. This is actually in the future. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so there you have it. That's how the windscreen is being changed by professionals. Okay, so going through the process and procedure of changing your windscreen via your insurance company is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is just prepare the three things that I mentioned earlier, which is your insurance cover note, your IC, and your driving license. All right, pass it to the shop, and they will know what to do. And all you need to do is probably just sign a piece of paper, paper saying that you have already claimed. That's it. All right. In terms of the time it takes about 1 hour plus a bit, which is quite fast. In terms of the whether this is a DIYable thing, I would suggest no. All right, because it requires 2 person at least to do the windscreen change. It's not a 1 person job. All right, you try with 1 person, you most likely accidentally drop the windscreen and you will crack, and you're wasting money on that. Okay, so in terms of why I choose this shop, all right, the shop that I choose is called City Auto Windscreen Specialist. It's located in Subang, I think it's in SS 14. All right, it's just opposite the Buddhist Association building, if any of you know where it is. Okay, the reason why I choose this shop is because this was the only shop that was able to find this particular windscreen for me. All right, my car is a 2009 Toyota Alphard, which may seem like a very typical common car, but my car has this LKA function, the lane keep assist function, which is a very rare feature for cars of this year and this make. Okay, so what is so special is that the windscreen has this gap up here for the camera and the sensor for the lane keep assist. All right, majority of the Alphard in 2009 doesn't have it. Even the newer ones, not all has it, except for 2018 or 2019 above has it. Okay, so the owner of City Auto Windscreen managed to find it for me and actually got this change for me within my budget. All right, I would say it was very kind of the owner. All right, because I went to a few other shops, like mainly Dr. Chermain, Dr. Windscreen, some other Sendirian Berhad windscreen specialists. None of them was actually able to find this windscreen for me. All right, but Eric from this City Auto Windscreen was actually able to find it for me, and he did it within my budget. So thank you. Shout out to him. Yeah, okay, so in the video you saw that I've changed my wipers, as well as I put in rain act or water repellent on the windscreen. All right, why? Okay, so if you are changing to a new windscreen, my recommendation is for you to change to a new wiper as well. Reason being is that your old wipers has already got the micro lines from your old windscreens, so if you were to use it on your new windscreen, you might be scratching your new windscreen. All right, so just get it changed. So for the Toyota Alphard, this particular model, you can actually put in 14-inch for the small one and then 28-inch for the big one. But I'm putting 26 here only. Okay, reason being is I don't want to put too much stress on the motor. So 26 seems to be enough coverage for me as well. And then I put water repellent so that it's easier to drive, as well as it prevents watermarks on the windscreen. Okay, so if you're using silicone wipers or rubber wipers, actually silicone wipers, it does prevent the watermark on the parts where it's actually wiping, but not on the sides, mainly here, the middle here, the corner there, and the corners here and the sides. All right, which is why having rain repellent actually helps. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's all there is to talk. Oh, okay. When it comes to the insurance, okay, how much you pay to get windscreen coverage is about 150 ringgit for 1000 ringgit coverage. Okay, meaning that if you want to cover 4000 ringgit, you have to pay 600 ringgit. Okay, and depending on your insurance company, most of them when you buy the windscreen coverage, it covers your side mirrors, your moonroof, your sunroof, everything. Alright, basically your glass. Okay, so if you have not bought it, make sure you buy it. It's very helpful. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll try to get it answered. If you like this video, hit this. If you dislike it, hit that. But leave us a comment on how to improve further as well, alright? And most importantly, if you have not done so, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you get notified on our next upload, alright? Till next time, see ya.